In this video, I'm going to show you how to uninstall 360 Total Security from Windows 11. So there's actually two ways via which you can do this. The first one is you can just go to Settings and then inside Apps on your computer, and then here you want to go into Installed Apps, and you can just search this quickly by typing in Installed Apps over here in the search box and clicking it, and then in here you should be able to see the 360 Total Security. You can click on those three dots at the very far right, which says More Options, and click on uninstall. Now that's the first way, but if it's not showing in here, you can also do it inside your control panel. So just go ahead and open up the control panel like this. There we go. And then you want to go ahead and go to Programs. If you're not seeing this, make sure it's sorted by category, top right. Go to Programs, Programs and Features, and in here you should see 360 Total Security over here. Click on it, click on uninstall, and press continue. And what this is going to do here, it's going to pop up the uninstallation box. There we go. And then here you want to just click on next, and then here again you want to click on just basically one of these options over here. I'm going to do I don't need it. And then here you can just do uninstall again, click on uninstall, and then you have to delete files in quarantine and then the game booster settings. So of course that's if you want to completely wipe it, so click on next, and then it's going to say if you want to do it permanently, click on yes again, and it's going to start uninstalling from your computer. And then within just a few seconds, this should be done. And when it's done, we're going to also check if it actually did uninstall completely. So yeah, this is going to take like a few seconds usually. And then after that's done, you'll be able to basically go ahead and check your control panel over here and see if it's still in there. It should not be. So when that's done, just refresh it and it shouldn't be in here. And then go back to installed apps. So as you can see, I got a pop-up here. There we go. You can just click on finish. And as you can see, it's basically been uninstalled from my installed apps. It's not showing up anymore. If I type in 360, nothing shows up. And if I go to the control panel here, it's not in here anymore. And I can even go down here, type in 360 total, and as you can see, nothing is here. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.